We'll guide you through how to create a Printful tote bag. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the Create button at the top. From the drop-down, select Tote Bags to start designing your custom tote. Now, you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you can choose the specific style of tote bag you want to customize. Click on the design area to upload your artwork, or use the text tool to add some creative text. Make sure your design fits within the guidelines shown on the editor to ensure the best print quality. You can adjust the size and placement of your design to get it just right. If you need some inspiration, Printful offers a range of clip art and design templates that you can use. Once you're happy with your design, click Proceed to Mockups, where you can choose how your tote will be displayed in your store. After that, you'll need to set the product details like the title, description, and pricing. This is important if you're selling it through your own store. Finally, review all the details and then hit Submit to add the tote bag to your online store or order it for yourself. Remember to double-check everything before finalizing to ensure it's exactly how you want it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.